Now in this video, let's talk about further remaining questions, exercise 12.3, class 10th, right? So chapter 12 we were discussing. So 12.3 we were on question number 12th, right? So in question number 12th, it is given that just hold on, let me take out. Okay, this is a figure, right? In this way a quadrant is there, and this is a point D, this is A, this is C, this is B, and this point is O, right? So we have to find out this shaded region is there. So in the first part we have to find out quadrant OACB, area of quadrant OACB, where radius is 3.5. so OA is equal to OB is equal to 3.5 centimeter, and OD is equal to 2 centimeter, right? So now we have to find out, in the first part we have to find out area of quadrant. So area of quadrant is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square. You can directly apply 1 by 4 pi r square also, because theta is 90 degree. So 90 upon 360 pi r square, 22 by 7. R value is 3.5, multiply 3.5. Just find out this value and you will get the answer. In the next part we have to find out area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle BOD, right? So area of quadrant, whatever value you will get, just put the value here, minus area of triangle, so half. OB is radius 3.5 and OD is height is 2, right? So whatever value you will get from here, minus 3.5, so that will be the answer, right? So just simplify this. Okay, I'll do it. 10, 7 1 time, 7 5 time, 5 1 time, 5 2 time, 2 11 time, 1 time, 4 time, right? So just simplify and get the answer and put the values into it. Now this is next question number 13. So in question number 13, this is a quadrant and this is a square. So side of square is OA is equal to 20 centimeters. So side of square will be OA is equal to OC is equal to 20 centimeter. Now if I join this line, right, so this is 90 degree, right, square angle. So we know that H square is equal to P square plus B square. So H is OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square, right? So OB square we have to determine. OA is 20 square and AB is equal to OC, so that will also be 20 square, right? So this is 400 plus 400, so that is equal to 400 plus 400 is 800, right? So OB is equal to root 800, or we can say 20 root 2, right? 2 to 4, 4 to 8, right? 20 root 2. So OB is 20 root 2. Now radius of the circle, radius is equal to OB is equal to OP is equal to 20 root 2. Now area of shaded region, so area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of square, right? So if we want to find out the area of shaded region, so area of quadrant minus area of square. So area of quadrant is 90 upon 360 pi r square minus area of square is side square, right? So 1 by 4, pi value is 22 by 7. Radius is how much? OB. OB is 20 root 2, multiply by 20 root 2 minus side square, side is 20 square, right? So on simplifying this, you will get the answer. Okay, here it is given that use pi as 3.14, so use pi 3.14. so this is 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 2, pi from this way 3, this will be 1.57. 20 multiplied 20 is 400, and root 2 multiplied root 2 is 2, minus 400, right? So 2 to 2 get cancelled, and taking 400 common, right? So try to drag the calculation till the last step so that you can easily simplify. So 400 common, 1.57 minus 1, 400, 0.57, right? So multiply 400 by 0.57, you will get the answer in centimeter square, right? Next, question number 14. So in question number 14, it is given that in question number 14 it is given this sort of figure, right? And this is 30 degree, this is 21 centimeter, and this is 7 centimeter. So very easy it is. How you have to do? Just subtract this outer segment minus inner segment, outer sector minus inner sector. So area of shaded region is equal to area of outer sector minus area of inner sector, right? So area of outer sector is theta upon 360 pi r square minus, let's take r1 square, theta upon 360 pi r2 square, right? Theta is 30 upon 360, pi is 22 by 7, r is 21 multiplied 21, minus we have 30 upon 360, 22 by 7, r is 7 multiplied 7, right? So 30 upon 360 is 1 by 12. So taking 1 by 12 common, 1 by 12 and 22 by 7 common, so we have 21 square is 441 minus 49, right? So just subtract this and solve this, so you will get the answer in centimeter square, right? This is very easy question, right? Very easy. Next question is this will be 392, so 7 from 392 will get cancelled, and whatever answer is there, just divided by 12 and multiply by 22. Next is question number 15, right? Now the questions are becoming tricky, so just try to understand what is given. How the question is presenting us, there that situation may not be there, right? So this is a sort of on this pen. Okay, so in this we have to find out this area, right? So this is a semicircle BAC, and this is the radius of the circle is the radius of this ABC is a quadrant of radius 14 centimeter. So this is 14 centimeter, this is 14 centimeter, and this is a quadrant, so that means this is 90 degree, right? So now what we have to determine? We have to determine this portion, shaded portion. So how we can go for it? Just find out area of this segment and subtract it from this semicircle, so you will get the answer. So for this you have to find out area of segment. So before that, let's find out the radius of the semicircle. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we know that BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So 14 square plus 14 square, taking 14 common, okay, 14 square plus 14 square, so that will be 196 plus 196, taking 196 common, 1 plus 1, so 196 multiplied by 2, so BC will be equal to square root of 196 multiplied by 2, so that is 14 root 2 centimeter. So BC is equal to twice of radius, because diameter of circle is BC, which is twice of radius, which is 14 root 2. So radius of circle will be 7 root 2 centimeter, because for this is diameter of the semicircle, and we know that diameter is twice of radius, so twice of radius is 14 root 2, so radius will be 7 root 2. So 7 root 2 centimeter. Now what we have to determine, area of shaded region, right, is equal to area of semicircle minus area of segment, right, area of semicircle minus area of segment, which is equal to area of semicircle is pi r square upon 2 minus area of segment. Area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector minus area of triangle, right? So this is equal to pi value is 22 by 7. So r square is 7 root 2 multiplied by 7 root 2 upon 2 minus area of sector, this is a quadrant, so 1 by 4 pi r square 22 by 7. Here radius of this quadrant is 14 multiply 14, right, minus area of triangle is half base into height, 14 multiply 14. So 7 to 7 cancel, root 2 is 2, 2 to 2 get cancelled, 22 multiplied by 7 is 154 minus, now here we have 7 2 times 2 4 2 times 2 11 times, so 14 multiplied by 11, right, so 14 multiplied by 11 154, 14 114 and 14 114 and 115 154 minus 7 14 multiplied by 7 7 4 28 8 and 2 7 1 7 98, right, so 154 to 154 get cancelled, answer is 98 centimeter square. So this is our required answer. So in simple steps we have got the answer. Just target what you have to determine and put the formula for that. If we can also determine this answer by solving it separately. First we will find out area of sector, then area of segment, then area of semicircle, then area of shaded region will be this area of semicircle minus area of segment. So that will take a lot of steps and will take much of your time. So in order to save time as well as space, we did in this way, right, that this, just observe this question carefully and try to minimize steps, unnecessary steps, right. So this is question number 15th. Now this is next question number 16. So figure I have drawn from the textbook, from your notebook, from this NCERT book. Now if we observe this question, so here what do we have? We have this sector, right, one sector, right, and also we have another sector, right. So we have merged both the sectors together to make a square. So here we'll have this sort of pattern, right. So if I join these two diagrams, we'll have this sort of pattern where this segment area is counted twice, right. This segment area is counted twice, once in this diagram and other one is in this diagram. So that means if we want to find out area of shaded region, what we can do? Area of shaded region, simply we can add these two areas and subtract it from the area of square, right. So that will be equal to area of two quadrants minus area of square, right. Simple. Area of two quadrants minus area of square, very easy. So area of two quadrant is 2 bracket 1 by 4 pi r square minus side square. So 2 from this get cancelled, 22 by 7 multiply by pi is 22 by 7, multiply radius is 8, multiply by 8 upon 2, minus side square is 8 multiply by 8, right, 2 11 times. So 8 64 multiply by 11 by 7 minus 64. So taking this 64 common, right, 64 common, so we'll have 11 by 7 minus 1. So this means 64 11 minus 7 upon 7. So 11 minus 7 is 4, which is 64 multiply 4 upon 7, and 64 multiply 4 is 4 4 16, 6 and 1, and 6 4 24, 256 upon 7 centimeter square. So this is our required answer. Just try to understand the question before attempting it. Here two quadrants are there, we have joined them overlapping, right? These two quadrants are overlapping each other from this portion. So if I add both the areas and subtract it from area of square is subtracted from both the areas, then we'll get the area of this pattern. So this is how we have done this question. So that's all for this video. So thank you all for watching. Here we end this chapter.